Oxford Quantum Circuits. My name is Sugiura. Happy to be here. So what I want to convey to you is that Oxford Quantum Circuits, OQC, provides a very convenient, easy-to-use quantum computer in Japan. So that's the message I want to convey to you. OQC, as the naming shows, it's based on the research results of Oxford University, and in 2017 the company was established. And so first commercial quantum computer was made in the UK and in the Europe from Amazon bracket. Well, service accessible from Amazon bracket was started for the first time. And then this past March in Japan, quantum computer was installed. We made that announcement. Equinix and us, we partnered together, and in Ariake, Tokyo, very close from here, there's a data center. Our quantum computer was installed there, and we announced that we're going to start service from there. What we are aiming for now, as you can see, is enterprise-ready quantum. So not in the lab, but something that you can use in your operations. So use it in a similar way that you use the classical computers. So we were trying to provide a quantum computer with that ease of use. So as I said, the Amazon bracket can be used to provide our service. Been doing that for close to 2 years. In addition, private access is also available. So in the UK, research institutes have access to our machine in the UK. Similarly, in Japan, using public cloud like Amazon and using Equinox data center, connecting privately, that's another thing that we will offer. Another topic to discuss, in April, in Galicia, in Spain, at the Cesca Supercomputer Center, we announced that we're going to install our quantum computer there. So this is a supercomputer center. So conventional HPC cluster and quantum computer, how to connect, collaborate, and use. That the research will be done, and this has been adopted for that platform. Now, within the data center, you would co-locate a quantum computer. So for the first time this is being done, and we pride ourselves in being the first to do this. So in the data center, we are installing the machine. And going forward, in a conventional environment, quantum computer will become usable. That's the direction we're going to go to, and we think that we're pioneering that direction. And then as a result of that, you would have seamless, accessible, and a powerful way to provide quantum computing. One major topic for us is Equinix. As you know, it's the world's #1 data service center provider. So data center TY11 in Ariake. At that data center, the first quantum computer is being introduced. We're in that process now. So Equinix clients, close to or around 10,000 companies around the world. And so through the Equinix network, without going to the public internet, they can directly access the quantum computer in Tokyo. So that's the benefit that will be provided. Equinix and ourselves, by having this partnership, well, we can solve one of the concerns that we hear often from customers. It's about data security. That issue can be much more easily solved with this partnership. What I mean is, whether it's Amazon or Azure, public internet access can be used for the system. And that means that company data will be sent to the outside. And so because of IT compliance, you cannot use freely. And in order to use it, you need to make some kind of data repository. So it's a lot of hassle to use this kind of service. So people say that that is an inconvenience. By having this partnership with Equinix, within the closed network, you can access quantum computing. That, when that becomes possible, then for our customers, for the users, using quantum computing will become much easier. The hurdle will be much lower. Another thing, at this example of HPC in Spain, this is related to that. Yesterday, Fujitsu made a presentation here. In Europe, Fujitsu is using OQC machine. They are going to deliver that to the supercomputer center in Galicia. So this is a supercomputer project. So Fujitsu is a prime contractor, and the classic supercomputer is using the same architecture as Fugaku, so that kind of server will be used. And for the quantum computer, OQC quantum computer will be installed at the supercomputer center in Spain. And Fujitsu will serve as the SI to integrate that and provide that to the customer for joint research with the customer. So within the world of HPC, conventional architecture and new architecture, how can they be combined effectively? That is the research that they are going to conduct there. Now, the superconductivity quantum computer is what we provide, and this is what we actually make. This is not CPU, QPU. And you can see, and I want to emphasize, it's very simple in design. And you see in the middle some dots, those are the qubits. And the wires interconnect that comes out of that, it's so very minimum. Why that is so? Well, 3D wiring and control architecture we have from based on the patent from Oxford University. So using that technology, we have developed this. So in terms of the wiring, QPU to the qubit, you don't need to have that wiring on the same plane. So it makes it very simple and flexible. Flexible, I mean, where you see this kind of lattice topology, but you can freely design this with a lot of freedom. With our IP, more scalable and more powerful machine is going to be built. So OQC is a startup. We said we were founded in 2017. We have 96 people, experts, 200 in total. We were registered in Japan last year, and we're going to strengthen our team. And this time we had the opportunity to present. So I call on you to work together with us to develop quantum computers and to evolve the technology going forward. So I want to solicit colleagues for that. So we have more than 30 PhD or higher holders. And in 20 countries, or we have people from 20 nationalities. So we have a lot of diversity in our staff. And you see the logo, the background of the people who work at our company. So with this team, we call on you to join us to further develop this new technology. So that is all from myself. Thank you very much.